Let's make some bulgur porridge. Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony, and I hope you have been enjoying what I've been presenting to you so far. And on this channel, I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates, but it is still yummy, it's still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. As a child growing up, bulgur porridge was a regular breakfast item. We didn't know much about cereals. All we knew was that you get a big bowl of bulgur porridge and that would keep us so full until lunch. Now for porridge we're going to need bulgur, and this is a cup of bulgur. Then we need a little sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I'll show you. And for a thickener, we're going to use some flour. I'm keeping it authentic as possible. Now, here's the spices we need for porridge. I have some nutmeg, this is a fresh one. I have some pimento berries, some broken cinnamon leaves, orange peel, and this is what we call the mace. This is a coating from the nutmeg. Over here we have some cinnamon, a little almond essence, and some Madagascan vanilla. And now for creams, I'm going to use some tin milk, evaporated milk, and some coconut milk. Now I'm going to add 3 cups of hot water. Now time to add our spice. Now that our water is boiling, we're going to add these spices and allow them to boil for about 5 minutes. Orange peel or mace, pimento, and also cinnamon leaves. We're going to remove them as soon as we think the flavor has been released in the water. While that is boiling, let us wash our bulgur. Now give it a thorough washing. Now after about 5 minutes, the water has changed color, and the smell, you smell the combination of the spices, the smell of the cinnamon, the orange peel, and the pimento berries. The combination is so beautiful. Now I'm going to remove them from the pot. Now removing them, you don't want to be biting on anything like this because they're small. So remove them to make the porridge clear. Now it's time to add the bulgur, and at this point we're going to add our sugar. Allow this to boil for about 15 minutes, uncovered. Now 15 minutes after, our grains are now cooked. You can see the kernel is showing. If you make it boil much longer than 20 minutes, it will separate from the kernel and you have a lot of trash. So it's time now to make our slurry to thicken it. Now, trying to stay as authentic as possible, I'm using flour, but you can use oats, cornmeal, whatever you like to thicken it. But I'm trying to keep with how we did it back home. Now we're making a flour slurry to thicken it, so we have to make sure all the lumps are gone. Most of the lumps are gone, so it's time to put it in our porridge. Now we turn our stove to medium and then we pour a little at a time. Stir while you're pouring, because it can become too thick, and if you don't stir while you're pouring, it will become lumpy. We might need some more slurry, so at this point I'm stopping. I'm going to allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to add my coconut cream. Now it's time to add our coconut cream. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons and stir. So we stir continuously so that we don't have any lumps or it forming any thickening at the bottom. Allow this to cook for about 2 minutes, then we add the other creams. Time to add some evaporated milk. Now you can use any milk or cream that you like, but this is what my mother used to do, and I'm just following tradition. Other flavorings, I'm using a little almond extract, about a half a teaspoon. Now our vanilla, this is now about a teaspoon. Cinnamon, a teaspoon, yeah. blend together and allow it to cook in the porridge for about 5 minutes. You know, cinnamon green is light, so it takes a little while to mix out. Now it's time to add a pinch of salt, and this is optional. If you don't want it, you don't have to. Now for the nutmeg. And because it's fresh, I'm only going to use a half a teaspoon. Now if you want your porridge to be thicker than this, then you may add some more of the slurry. Now I'm going to turn the stove off and then start to sweeten. Now we sweeten to taste, right? Now your creamy porridge is done. Now here we have it, our creamy, quick and easy bulgur porridge. To the table or on the go. This porridge was so creamy and delicious, with a subtle hint of all the spices that we used. It was not overpowering. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.